we have an equation with multiple logs on the left side, no logs on the other side. So my dreams of just setting the instance equal are dashed. I also see a plus sign here, so I'll use that property that says when you have two logs with the same base and they're being added, they can be rewritten as a single log as long as we multiply the inners together. So I'll have log base 2 of x plus 3 times x minus 1. All that stuff's inside the log. That's going to equal 5. At this point, what I'm solving for is stuck inside of a log, so I'm going to have to switch to exponential form. And the questions are what they always are. What is the base? What is the exponent? What's it going to equal? So the base is 2, and the exponent is 5, and it's going to equal the stuff inside of the log. So I'm going to have x plus 3 times x minus 1 equals this base to this power, which I can quickly simplify. 2 to the 5th is 32. If I then use my Algebra 1 skills to FOIL this out, x times negative 1, these together, combining like terms, blah, 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 we should get x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 32. This is a quadratic, so I will want one side to equal 0. I'll subtract a 32 from both sides. When I do that, I'll get x squared plus 2x, negative 3, take away 32 is negative 35, will equal 0. And now I can do my factoring thing. If I want to use quadratic formula here, I can. It is better to try to factor. These will be factorable. So two things that multiply to make x squared are x and x. Two things that multiply to make 35 are going to be, well, 7 and 5 is what comes to mind first, and they're going to have opposite signs. When I multiply these and combine it, I want a positive 2, so positive 7, negative 5. Setting this equal to 0 means x would equal negative 7. Setting this equal to 0 means x would equal 5. So this is pretty good, but now I want to take each of these numbers separately in the original equation and make sure that I'm not ever taking the log of a negative number. So if x is negative 7 and I plug it in here, I'll have log base 2 of what will become negative 4. Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. I can't take the log of a negative 4. Doesn't even matter what's happening over here. This is not an answer. The 5, on the other hand, when plugged in, gives me 5 plus 3, which is 8. So I'll have log base 2 of 8. That's fine. 5 over here would give me log base 2 of 4. That's fine. This answer is going to keep. My final answer, x equals 5. Good luck.